Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of quantum computers. These machines are not just the stuff of science fiction, they are real and could revolutionize the way we process information. You've probably heard the buzz about them, but what exactly are they? And how do they work? Let's break it down in simple terms so everyone can understand. Let's break it down. Alright, so imagine your classic computer. It uses bits, those 1s and 0s to process information. These bits are the fundamental building blocks of classical computing. Simple, right? Now, quantum computers, they take it to a whole new level. Instead of bits, they use something called qubits. Qubits are the quantum version of bits, and they are what make quantum computers so powerful and unique. Instead of bits, they use something called qubits. What's a qubit? Glad you asked. Qubits are like bits, but way cooler. They can exist in multiple states at once thanks to a property called superposition. Superposition allows qubits to be both 1 and 0 at the same time. Imagine the possibilities. It's like spinning a coin. It can be heads, tails, or anything in between until it lands. This means quantum computers can process a massive amount of data simultaneously. Mind-blowing, huh? But wait, there's more. Qubits also have another trick up their sleeve: entanglement. When qubits are entangled, the state of one instantly influences the state of another, no matter the distance. It's like having a twin that knows what you're thinking, even if they're on the other side of the planet. This opens up a whole new realm of possibilities for solving complex problems much faster than classical computers. Imagine solving problems in seconds that would take classical computers thousands of years. So how does this all come together? Quantum computers use quantum gates to manipulate qubits. Think of these gates as the building blocks for quantum circuits, similar to how classical logic gates work in your regular computer. By stringing these gates together, quantum computers can perform incredibly complex calculations at lightning speed. Why does this matter? Well, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields like cryptography, artificial intelligence, and even drug discovery. We're talking breakthroughs that could change the world as we know it. Imagine unbreakable encryption, smarter AI, and new medicines discovered in record time. And there you have it, a crash course on quantum computers. Exciting stuff, right? If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions. I love hearing from you guys, and hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.